First, you guys tell if you have any doubts. Else, I will go over how, like, what I was trying to frame today and what were my thought process. This. Basically, a recap. So many youth. So let's get into it. Going into the day, I was wanting to frame NQ bullish. Why behind that? Just a second. Oh, ignore this for a moment. Some okay. So, like Friday hit a relevant level to me. I wasn't too sure. Yesterday I avoided completely, but looking at yesterday's PA, I could clearly see failure swings resting here. Ignore this for a moment. Failure swings resting there, and Friday hitting a relevant key level, Monday displacing away. So a kind of relevant reversal to me. So I was trying to frame Tuesday longs, continuation of this move, at least till there. Then from here I could have framed bearish, I could have framed bullish, because this level in all other three assets is a daily internal level. This here, this here, this here. So that's why this was a level of relevance to me. But when price hits this daily internal level for the other assets, a relevant swing for this asset, this is the next relevant swing, this is the next relevant swing. Price hits this, obviously daily open low high here, but I won't participate in here. I just participate in the New York session. So daily open low high close till here, but expansion into an objective, which is the new phase. Expansion, I would only like view a reversal of some price point, some relevant level, if price expands into it and immediately expands away from it. Expansion met with expansion to the opposing side, but this here wasn't looking like aggressive move away from this. So expansion into new phase, which is not reversal. This is not reversal to me. Either consolidation, either retracement, and retracement and consolidation are both continuation signatures to me. So continuation signatures telling me price should expand till this high, previous phase high, at least once again, and that's why I like wrote this. Daily IRL, this is this, but would want to see how it reacts to current high of the day. Expansion into an objective, so new phase of price, which if expansion met with an expansion, then I would have immediately framed daily OHLC till current low of the day, framing it as reversal of this, but price shows expansion into consolidation, which is a continuation signature to me. So this high becomes the next relevant high. So that's why this wasn't hit, and so I was still trying to frame bullish. So अब इसके रिप्ले कहाँ से ऑफ करूँ, यहाँ से हो जा. Okay, and I was trying to frame longs 2 times, didn't got a valid entry both times, but that's it. It is what it is. Like going on to the daily profile, I could see one opportunity here पीछे होता मैंने मार चला नहीं like there. If this move back lower was, this is clearly not expansion, not met with immediate expansion, right? Clearly leaving failure swings, so retracement to me, right? Retracement's objective, I would view lows and highs as the best key levels to sponsor the move. This low rejects, I can assume this as like retracement into expansion. Now it is okay to go till here. Okay, so then looking for low time frame entry after this gets swept. This is what I was looking for, and I would have wanted a break through this high to frame till here, but I would have taken a continuation entry in here, but it wasn't there. I would show you guys. 3 5. ओ ये कहाँ से लिखा हुआ आ गया यहाँ पे, पहली बार आया है ना. सो यार इसको हटाऊं कैसे, ये लिखा हुआ आया जो. पीछे हो जाए यार. So there I did not get any continuation entry. Price directly hits this, immediately comes back. No entry for me in there. I was looking to frame this if this would have happened is till here, but this never formed. Then I go back to M15 again. I am still preferring longs at this time, even after price was dumping this much, because like prior to 9:30 price was here. So using driver's logic, okay, if I could like have two things in my mind. If price wants to go bullish, 9:30 is opening near a point which could frame reversal, so 9:30 should reverse off of this. If the day is meant to go bearish off of this level, which I don't want to frame, I want to frame till here at least first, like, but even if I am wrong, then 9:30 should give continuation of this established reversal here, right? If bearish, then established reversal is formed prior to driver should expand away from it. If that is gonna be bullish, meant to be bullish till here, then 9:30 is opening near a level which could sponsor a reversal. The 9:30 should sponsor a reversal off of there, which is exactly the case happened, and I didn't post that task. I was about to give you guys task just to mark this level prior to 9:30. Like how would you people frame if you were to frame till here or here, but this got left, so be it. And then क्या आप लोगों ने क्या फ्रेम करा चोर लोग. I still wanted to frame longs even after this much dump, because my idea was still valid on NQ. I was mainly more focused on NQ today. 9:30 hits this, kind of showing rejection. I could frame it higher. This tells me okay, 9:30 has formed a established reversal, so that's why now you get the reason behind this saying of me. कहाँ गई भाई? NQ longs 10 a.m. but I still didn't like got any opportunity because no entry in here for me, just going directly. So that is not my system. I let it go, then goes without me, and that was my day for today. I mean, there is still one opportunity which I can frame, but not on NQ. It would be on ES. I would have to see it if ES aligns with it. Time distortion type logic, we'll see. Do you guys have any doubts? Like that was a kind of recap, my my recap for the day. I wasn't looking much on these two assets. अगर इन्होंने हाँ yeah, they are both going without me as well. You could have framed RTY shorts or YM shorts off of like this daily internal level, IRL to ERL kind of scene. Same for YM, IRL to ERL kind of scene. but I wasn't looking much at them, so missed. But yes, the daily internal level gets hit here. SMT there. मैंने मार चलानी SMT नहीं बनाते थे तुम. SMT there and SMT there. If I were to take, I would have taken this 2R on RTY till current low of the day, maybe till here as well, who knows. This one on RTY, daily continuation entry away from established reversal point, maybe market, maybe limit somewhere around here till current low of the day. This would have been the kind of position I would have taken, but leave it. Didn't saw it much. Sonia, you वो ठीक है, इसको ये लग क्यों नहीं रहा. हाँ ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है. So do you guys have any doubts or anything you wanna ask? So, अच्छा मेंशन कर रहा है, मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिखता है. वो मैंने भी ज़्यादा नहीं देखा, क्या बोलूं. You framed YM, yes, I would have taken RTY. Less RR on RTY, but more like high probable. YM looks good as well, right? Yes. डेली 6 AM established है इधर. हाँ ठीक है. डेली काउंट, हाँ ठीक है, अच्छी 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 है, नाइस. इंटरमीडिएट टर्म हाई है जो मेरे को ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, इसलिए नाइस. ये क्या है भाई. I was looking for long on one और है मतलब. Yes, he stabbed. Okay, so you missed as well. You mean? No worries, I missed as well. Not in the sense of missed. My system wasn't there, so I didn't execute simply. My system for high time frame, intermediate time frame was there, but my system didn't present me an entry to capitalize on, so I didn't take. I did not execute simply. So यार तू पीछे हो यार. गोल्ड सिंह बदतमीज कर रहा है सिर्फ. इन दोनों ने ले लिया तो ये दोनों थोड़े ठीक है. सल्लू भाई क्या हाल है आपका. इसने ले लिया. 2 AM to 3 AM. These lows, but leave it. I would consider it my day. I have this. I have recorded this as well. If you guys want the recording, I will upload it. एक बार और expansion है मतलब. मेरे को बोल रहे हो यूडीवाई को बोल रहे हो. मैं वेट भी है. हाँ अच्छी थी ये, मतलब ऐसे मेरे को वाईएम इतना पसंद नहीं लग रहा था. ये एंट्री इंटरमीडिएट टर्म हाई वाली है, सो मोर कन्विक्शन. क्लोज भी क्लियर है तो नाइस. आई हैव टेकन एंट्रीज लाइक दिस. हाँ मेरे को याद है 4-5 बार ऐसी वाली एंट्रीज गई है मेरी भी. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा है बट हाँ. H4 पे मेरे पास भी ऑब्जेक्टिव था है ना. H4 टारगेट कर रहा ना आपने शायद, क्योंकि इतना नीचे H4 ही होगा. लो ऑफ द डे इधर के ही होगा. जस भाई क्या हाल है. हाँ वही H4 पे this I saw this early morning but then forgot about these two indices, just saw them. This one, right? We show this one, right? Two relevant swings. You can see a relevant swing, a relevant swing, failure swing on both sides. This one gets tagged, shows back into the range. SMT there. You frame ERL to IRL. Nice. And now maybe IRL to ERL RTY has already reached. Yes. So this is also a failure swing, I would consider. Maybe there could be an opportunity for me in YM. Let's see. अभी मैं जाऊँ फिर कोई टास्क टूस देखूँ या क्या, या रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दूँ? मैं बस खाना खुना खा के आज जल्दी सोऊंगा, कल उठूंगा जल्दी। कल सोया था मैं रात को 5 बजे, सुबह 5 बजे हुई। आज सोऊंगा जल्दी। आज अभी बजे 8। आज बहुत टाइम है मेरे पास। किसी के असाइनमेंट देखें या किसी का टास्क देखें या रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ कर दूं? जल्दी बताओ, या कल देखेंगे? बताओ, जैसे जैसे जल्दी, फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट। फिर मैं भी करूँगा वो सोने युद्ध ना मेरे पीछे के पीछे। ठीक है भाई, फिर I would turn off the recording. Okay.